Hey guys, this is Rayanne with Shaka Designs, here with another quick Wix tutorial. Today we are talking about the new Wix blog, and you may have been searching for a solution to the issue with your blog post feed where it is cutting off your images. And I will walk you through very quickly today on how to fix that. I did a couple of test images and I found the dimensions that seem to work the best. And basically what we're going to be doing is changing the cover image of the blog post itself. So this image right here is actually 1920 by 1080. And as you can see, it's being cut off. So I'm going to show you where to change that and what dimensions to use. So within your blog, whether you're in your Wix dashboard or your editor, go into Manage Posts. And then we're going to go to that blog post and I will show you where to edit that. Okay, so now that it's loaded, I am going to go to this post right here, the same one with the don't. I'm going to click on Edit. And then within this post, I'm going to go to the post settings right here. Then I'm going to scroll down just a little bit to change cover image. So right here, this is the 1920 by 1080. Looks like it's going to work, but obviously as we saw, it was cutting it off. So I'm just going to click on change cover image, and the dimensions that you want to use are 960 by 730. So I'm going to swap out this image with 960 by 730. Alrighty, so 960 by 730. I'm going to choose this one, hit save and publish. And then we will take a look at it live. All right, so I'm going to close out of this, give it a second to refresh. Okay, awesome. So now it fits. All the text is there. It's not being cut off. It does leave a little bit of space at the bottom. I'm very OCD and I just had to get over that. I feel like it's better than having your post, your image be cut off. So again, 960 by 730. I will also post that in the description in case you forget. So if this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit subscribe and you will get updated with new tutorials that I post. All right, see you later.